Hello guys, so on this video I'm going to show you guys how I got to color grade this image, how I made the skin tone pop, how I changed things, to color grade this image to make it look like a pro. So without wasting much time, I'm going to use Capture One in color grading this image. So after color grading it in Capture One, the only thing I'm going to do in Photoshop is just to retouch it. Then after that, I render this picture. So without wasting much time, let me show you guys the few adjustments I used. So let's get started. So once you bring your image to Capture One, so the first thing I did was to enhance this exposure to make the image look brighter, just like this. So a little bit just like this is fine. So the next thing I'm going to add is the contrast. So if I take it down to this part, you can now see how it's making the image look. So I'll add the contrast to it to about 7. Sorry, to about 7. So for the brightness, I'll leave it at 1. So I'm not going to adjust this saturation. So the next thing, I'm going to come to this high dynamic range. For the highlight, I'll reduce the highlight to -100. That's normal. That's normal how I do. Just reduce it to 100. So for the highlight, that's for the highlight. For the shadows, I'm going to bring the shadows a bit up to 15 or 13. So from 10 to 15, I might use any of that. So for the white, so this white might be confusing. So let me just bring it up so you guys can see how it's looking. So I'll just bring the white to -4. Just little color grading. So for the black, if I add this, you can see how it's looking. I don't want it to look like this, so I just want to add more contrast to it. So I'll just keep this at -4 as well. So I'll close this. I'll come to the clarity. So I'll just take the clarity to about 4 or 5. So for that's just all I did here. So the next thing is the level. So I'll just come add the level to about 2. Then for the bright side, I'll just take this. That is it. And once I'm done here, for the green, like the green background, to change it, I'll come to this other area right here. So I'll come to the color editor. So I'll make sure you select the green, which is this. So this is the green right here. So I'll just take the saturation to minus, then I'll add hue to it. I'll just take it to this other side. You can now see how it's looking. It's not looking perfect for you. You can still play with this light small. So that is how I got to adjust the green on the background. So a quick one, let me show you guys the before. So this is the before and this is the after. So as I said earlier, after this color grading, the only thing I did on Photoshop, okay, I highlighted the face area just to reduce some light and add I just played with the Dutch and Burn a bit. Then after that, I retouched the image and I then render it. So this is how I got to color grade my pictures. So I use Capture One to do that. It's quite simple and it doesn't even take time. So it's just a few minute things. You just color grade, then you take it to Photoshop and retouch. So that is how I got to color grade this image. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this video is helpful. Please like and comment on this video so you guys can give me the motivation for creating more helping tutorial. And also don't forget to subscribe so that each time I drop a video you'll be notified. So thank you guys for watching once again. I hope to see you in the next video.